In this session, let us understand the difference between the variable cost and fixed cost. Let's see one by one. What is the meaning of variable cost? Variable cost is the portion of cost which changes or varies proportionately based on the output or volume or the quantity. So it is the portion of that cost which will change or vary proportionately. Then what is fixed cost? Fixed cost are those costs which are assumed to remain constant for a given period of time, let whatever be the level of output in that period. Next, what are the items that will form part of the variable cost? I have given it in the short form. They basically represents the direct materials, direct labor, which is DL, direct expenses, which is DE, then variable production overheads and variable selling and distribution overheads, which we have as VPOH, that is variable production overheads, and VSDOH, that is variable selling and distribution overheads. So these are all the components of variable cost. Then what are the items in fixed cost? Fixed cost will contain fixed production overheads plus administrative overheads plus fixed selling and distribution overheads. So these are all the items of a variable and fixed cost. Let's take some examples for variable and fixed. For variable cost, the examples are raw materials, the labors, which may be based on number of units produced, so that's the labor cost, and power, which is directly related to the production. Then if royalty is paid, if it is paid based on production, then that is also variable cost. Then some examples for fixed cost are rent, salary, insurance, and so on. Then this particular point, that is a cost per unit, that is also one major differentiating factor between the variable cost and fixed cost. Variable cost per unit is assumed to remain constant at all levels of output, whereas fixed cost per unit of output will vary inversely with changes in level of output. So if the output increases, the fixed cost per unit will come down, and if output decreases, fixed cost per unit will go up. The next difference is in terms of a point of occurrence. Variable costs are occurred only when production takes place. So when there is no production, then there will be no variable cost. Whereas fixed costs are incurred even at zero level of output, zero level of production. So even at nil activity level, fixed cost will be incurred. The next difference point is cost behavior. See, once the variable cost is incurred, it will increase proportionately based on the level of output or quantity, whereas fixed cost once incurred will be constant at all levels of output. The next difference is in terms of nature. Variable cost are considered as a product related cost. It is directly associated with the product, whereas fixed cost are considered as a period related cost. Here the focus is on period and not the focus on product. The final difference is inclusion in inventory. Variable costs are basically product cost, so they form part of inventory valuation. So the inventory value comprises direct materials, or direct labor, direct expenses, and variable production overheads. All of these are basically variable cost. Whereas fixed costs are not included in inventory valuation. They are charged off fully to the profit and loss account in the period in which it is incurred.